The Bizarro banking Trojan is expanding its attack to Europe. The original Trojan appeared in Brazil and then expanded to South America, for example Argentina and Chile, and this month their attacks have appeared in Spain, Portugal, France, and so on. The Trojan now targets over 70 different banks. The malware is mainly distributed through spam emails containing a malicious MSI installer package. The social engineering lure in the email is currently a text notification message, but of course this can change over time. The initial malware will download further payloads from trusted cloud storage servers, for example on Azure and AWS. Once installed, the malware is able to capture screenshots, monitor the clipboard, and lock all pressed keys with a keylogger. And to improve the chances of capturing credentials even more, the banking malware does also disable the autocomplete function in the browser, which means that the victims now have to type in the password again and probably it gets captured. If two-factor authentication is enabled, then the banking Trojan will generate fake pop-up messages to retrieve such codes as well. And while the money is stolen from the victims in the background, the computer is frozen in order to prevent the user from noticing anything malicious going on. If any cryptocurrency wallets are found, then the Trojan will try to replace those with the receiving address of its own in order to redirect the transactions for the bitcoins. The Trojan has a full backdoor implemented with over 100 commands available to the cybercriminals. So if you don't want the risk to lose your money, then of course you need a comprehensive protection solution, like the Acronis Cyber Protect, which can block malware with its cloud file reputation as well as behavior detection engine.